Ronaldo is the top active football scorer in the world. But whom do you think is number 2? Messi? Neymar? No way. Is the Indian football team captain, the captain fantastic Sunil Chetri.
Sunil Chetri.
He's the captain, he's the leader, he's the legend. Yes, it's Indian football team captain Sunil Chetri. On his birthday, I'm gonna share you some achievements of Captain Fantastic. Sunil Chetri was born on 3rd August 1984 in Sikandrabad, Andhra Pradesh. His father was an army officer and played for EME team Sikandrabad, and mother played for Nepal national team. He had a very good talent in football. Chetri started playing football at a very young age, taking part in various tournaments. Later, his family moved from Sikandrabad to Delhi, where he started playing for a city club at Delhi. As he was a very good player, he got a chance to play a Durand Cup. Even there, Chetri scored many goals and was noticed by many match officials and other team coaches. Chetri had a very good talent. He had also represented his country in under 16 category football tournaments. When Sunil was 17 years old, Mohan Bagan offered him a contract for 3 years. Chetri's tough challenge has started. He has to perform well for Mohan Bagan, and he wasn't from a formal football education. He wasn't into any football academy, he was just playing as he loved it. But the legend managed to do it well. Sunil got chance to represent senior India team when he was 19 years. There were 40 men in the Indian camp, but talented Chetri got into the squad. His coach then was Sukhvinder Singh. The Indian team started practice at Pugwara National Camp at Punjab. Later, Sunil was in the team and the team moved to Pakistan for the tournament.
Balochistan, a very strange place, nice, strange. So you can imagine the emotions of me and Nabi, and we both were room partners. And we thought, we're going to be in the bench and stuff like that. And I think a day before the game at night, Sukisa told us, you're going to start. But we were buzzing, man. I think every happiness in your life one side, but to play for your country. When I say play for country, the senior national team. We had played for under 7, but that's not the same. When you play for your senior teammates, it's the best feeling, man.
Sunil used his opportunity and scored in the very first match against Pakistan. On the other hand, end of 3-year contract in Mohan Bagan, Sunil then moved to JST club in 2005, and in 2008 he was offered by the East Bengal I-League team. Sunil was performing well in all the team he was. He again jumped to Dempo FC in the year 2009. Sunil was that player signing the contract to play for the foreign clubs. His first foreign club he signed was Kansas Wizard Football Club in USA.
I went there as a Kansas player, and I had, I think, 6 to 7 friendly games. I think in 2 I scored 2 hat-tricks and I scored a brace, and I just thought, you know what, I'm going to start, this is it. I was just so sad. I was not used to sitting on the bench. Then I had lovely pre-season where I scored some 14 goals in 7 games. I thought, I'm going to start. It didn't happen for 5 games, and I just started deteriorating. I think it was more mental than physical. Then Bob called me and he said, if you're not playing there right now and starting, you can come. And then when I wanted to go back, I thought, I can't be sitting on the bench. So I didn't make this.
After his disappointing return from the US, he started with I-League again, signed a contract for Chirag United for 1 year in the year 2011. In the year 2012, he again moved to his first I-League team, that is Mohan Bagan, and played I-League for 1 year. By the end of 2012, he got a second chance to play abroad, that is Sporting Lisbon at Portugal. Even there, Sunil failed to shine.
When I went there after 1 week, I was told by the head coach that you're not good enough, get lost to the B team. And he was right. The pace in Sporting Lisbon A was too fast for me where I was playing in Indian leagues.
Sunil Chetri did not lose his hope and passion towards the football game. Sunil again started with the I-League matches by signing a contract for Churchill Brothers. After a year, Sunil got a chance to sign a contract with Bengaluru FC, which was a new team in the I League. Everything changed from then. He was the star player, captain, and the best striker in the BFC team. As BFC was not playing ISL in the first season, Sunil switched to Mumbai FC in the year 2015. Later, Sunil Chetri again signed BFC team as BFC had entered the ISL league. He was the one star player by scoring highest number of goals Indian player in the ISL as well as I League. Sunil from past 3 to 4 years playing in the BFC team. The BFC team also had become winners and runners in the ISL and represented country in AFC, the Asian Football Confederation.
And we were dominated by Zohar at Zohar Stadium. We really had the ball. We really played some really good football at home. But for us to go to Zohar and get pinned to our own half and not get too much of ball was hard to digest. So we conceded the goal and we all head down. And who comes to us is like, put your head out. We just need one goal and we're going to get it. And then we tried and what a goal by Eugene, man. A lot of people don't understand the importance of that goal that day, of course. And when we came back, because imagine if we would have come back 1-0 or even worse 2-0, it's all about belief. But when we came back 1-1, we thought, what, no matter who they are, we're going to take them at Kantiva. We were buzzing, we were on them, we were dominating, and we knew we were going to get the goal. The first goal, of course, a great ball by Eugene again, and Jono was the decoy in front of me. They went with him and I was alone, 1-0. And of course, a lot of people talk about the second one. And then third one by again Juan and Eugene. Lovely. I don't think we had nights at BFC or at Kantiva which can top that one. I think that was one of those nights where probably we told Asia that we are a good team.
BFC has contributed a lot for Indian football. At the same time, Sunil's contribution is not very less for the both domestic football and international football. Sunil is representing the Indian football team from past 20 years. This is not so easy to have a position in Indian team continuously for 20 years. He did not just be in the team, he was the team captain for more than 100 matches, kept on scoring in all international matches. He is the second most active footballer after Cristiano Ronaldo in the world by scoring so many goals. He has scored 72 goals till now and has become the first Indian footballer to score the highest number of goals for Indian team. Baichung Bhutia comes in the second by scoring 42 goals. IM Vijayan is in third position by scoring 39 goals. Sunil Chetri's another greatest achievement is he has won the best player of India from AIFF so many times. In the year 2007, in the year 2011, 2013, 14, 17 and 2018. By winning it for 6 times, he has become the first Indian player to win most number of AIFF Best Player awards. Year 2008, he also got AFC Most Valuable Player award. In 2011, when the SAF Championship was held, he got the Best Player of the tournament. In 2011, he got Arjuna Award for his highest sports achievements. And in the year 2018, he got Asian Icon Award from Asian Football Confederation. Sunil Chetri also got Padma Shri Award. It's a 4th civilian award in the year 2019. Now coming into his ISL and I League career, he has scored 8 goals when he was in Mohan Bagan in the year 2002 to 2005. He has scored 21 goals for GST team in the year 2005-2008. And he has scored 9 goals when he was in East Bengal. He scored 8 goals when he was in Dempo, 7 goals for Chirag United, 8 goals for Mohan Bagan again in the year 2011 and 12, 4 goals for Churchill Brothers in 2013, 16 goals when he was in Bengaluru FC in the year 2013 to 15, 7 goals for Mumbai City, 39 goals for Bengaluru FC again in between 2017 and 2019. He became a highest scorer in I-League and ISL, the first Indian player to score that many goals by scoring 132 goals in both ISL and I-League. His extra practice and hard work has brought him a success. I have personally seen him doing extra practice even after a team going back to their dressing room in Kantriva Stadium for their ISL practice. Apart from playing football, he also has struggled a lot to develop Indian football. He visit to the different academies in the country and he do conversation with the children and the players who are there in the academy and interact and give them the solution for their problem and help them to improve in their game. He is the good human too, having zero controversy and zero complaint in his whole career.
The Indian is a workaholic. He wants to stay just that little longer after training and even returns early from holidays. Which is why, at 34 years old, he's still single-handedly carrying his club and his country. Sunil Chhetri takes a lot of care of his figure. Nothing like your mate from Sunday League who drinks beer and smokes cigarettes after a game. No, Sunil is a very serious guy who pays a lot of attention to his diet. Sunil has eliminated sugar from his diet. The earlier trend among Indian footballers was to enjoy the butter chicken today and perform an extra hour's practice tomorrow. Sunil has changed that. His regimented life spans 365 days a year.
As I had told you before, Sunil has struggled a lot to develop Indian football. He had once was surprised to see that there were very few spectators to see Indian football match. He was sad to see that. He was depressed, and for the next match, he directly came in front of social media and appealed all the people of Mumbai to come and watch the match.
Please come and watch us. We'll make sure that once you come to watch us, you will not go the same person back home. To all of you who are fans of big European clubs and support your European clubs with so much passion, and sometimes you guys think that the level is not same, so why to waste your time? Agreed, the level is not the same, not even close. But with our desire and determination, we'll make sure, we'll try our best to make your time worth. To all of you who have lost hope or do not have any hope in Indian football, it's not fun to criticize or abuse on internet. Come to the stadium, do it on our face, scream at us, shout at us, abuse us. Who knows, one day, we might change you guys. You might start cheering for us. Please come. This is a very, very important time and juncture in Indian football, and football in India needs you guys. So here I'm requesting you, please come and watch us in the stadium. Now in Mumbai, and whenever we play, wherever we play, if you're in the same city, come to the stadiums and watch us. Please. Jai.
On 4th December 2017, he got married to Sonam Bhattacharya. Indian football fans are happy because Sunil Chhetri is still representing the country and is playing for BFC team at the age of 35. Sunil hope many good players will definitely emerge from India in upcoming days.
Fact, all of you who are skillful, if you think this is enough, not in football, not anymore. It is so fast growing, it is so competitive, and it's so physical, it's so tactical. You've got to work hard. You have to be the most hardworking there. Whenever it's time for me to go and somebody else comes, I just hope he comes because he's better than me, not because I didn't work hard, because that is a regret that I will never be able to take. I don't want to regret that I couldn't be in a team because I wasn't working hard at doing the right thing. So,
we all wish to see him on the screen scoring more and more goals to the country and the club very soon. Let his achievements grow still more and more to reach the peak. I wish him a very happy birthday again. Let Captain Fantastic achieve all his wishes soon. Thank you.